A man who shot at Nebraska state troopers is sentenced to more than a decade in prison.
Jason Davenport is convicted of leading law enforcement on a manhunt a year ago. Today, Douglas County Attorney Don Klein says he wanted a harsher sentence.
KETV News Watch 7's Aaron Haggerty's at the courthouse with more. Aaron.
Yeah, Rob, Julie, Davenport was sentenced to 14 to 23 years today, and after he finishes that sentence here, he'll face more charges in Washington County.
Jason Davenport comes out of court after learning his sentence Tuesday morning. He'll spend up to 15.5 years in prison with credit for about a year in jail. The total sentence is up to 23 years. Douglas County Attorney Don Klein says more would have been justified.
With all due respect, I'm a little disappointed with regard to the sentencing.
Davenport will serve 11 years before he's eligible for parole.
That's substantial, but it could even been, I think, more substantial.
Davenport is convicted of shooting at Nebraska state troopers while they tried to serve a warrant in May 2024. He and a woman, Dana Banks, then drove off, leading to an hours-long manhunt. Davenport and Banks were found in Kennard. Troopers shot at and injured Davenport when they saw he still had a firearm.
His behavior in this case was so dangerous, so over the top, and he put so many people's lives in jeopardy that I think he should get a substantial sentence.
Davenport was sentenced Tuesday on 4 counts, including possessing a firearm when he wasn't allowed to.
The reason we have that charge is to prevent people who shouldn't have guns from having guns. And so I think that there could have been a stronger message sent about the sentencing.
The defense said Davenport tried to kill himself in the past and has a severe drug issue. The attorney said he was on fentanyl at the time.
He's voluntarily ingesting these drugs, and they can't use that as an excuse for his behavior.
Davenport still faces 5 more counts. His case in Washington County will come up after his sentence in Douglas County.
And as for Banks, she's set to be sentenced on an accessory charge next month. Back to you.
Aaron, thanks for the update.